We'll guide you through how to fit image in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your PowerPoint application on your computer. After that, open your existing presentation file that you want to edit. Wait until all the slides load completely to ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, select the slide where you want to place or adjust the image. Please note that there are two ways to fit an image in PowerPoint, and both methods are useful depending on your needs. For the first method, observe the image displayed on your slide. Click on the image to select it, and make sure the resize handles appear around the edges. These handles will help you adjust the size. Drag the corner handles to resize the image proportionally so it does not look stretched or distorted. Continue adjusting the image size carefully until it fits the slide as you want. For the second method, go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. Select your image file from your computer, then click Insert to place it on the slide. After the image appears, observe its position and size. Click on the image to select it and make sure the resize handles appear again. Now go to the Picture Format tab to access more advanced options. Click on the Crop option, then click the drop-down arrow on Crop. From the available options, select Fill. You will notice that the image automatically fills the slide area. Make sure the important parts of the image are still visible and not cut off. Avoid cropping out essential areas of the image. Once you are satisfied, click outside the image to apply the changes. Observe that the image now fits the slide perfectly. If needed, use the Align tools to adjust the position and ensure the image is centered properly. Check the overall composition and make sure the layout looks clean and balanced. After that, preview the slide in full screen mode to see how the image fills the slide. Observe the final result carefully, then go back to normal view. Finally, go back to normal view. Click on File to open the Options menu, then click Save to store your presentation. And done, your image is successfully fitted using Fill option.